Industrial Hose and Hydraulics offers many products and services. One service is custom hose assembly. Here, our expert hose technicians assemble a fuel delivery hose, also known as a petroleum drop hose or tank drop hose. Suction and discharge hoses are another example of the many custom hoses we assemble. Our hose assemblies are manufactured and tested by well-trained hose technicians. A hose assembly from Industrial Hose and Hydraulics is of the highest quality material and will meet your high expectations. Before ordering your custom hose assembly, there are some very important factors to consider. Once you have this information, we will be prepared to have your hose stamped with approval. Industrial Hose and Hydraulics also offers in-house crimped assemblies up to 6-inch ID hose. For more information, log on to industrialhose.com or call 800-442-0311.
Founded in 1986, Industrial Hose and Hydraulics is your one-stop shop for industrial hose, hydraulics, and accessories. We supply every type of hose and service for every type of business. The products we distribute are designed by quality manufacturers to provide unrivaled performance.